friends, we're gonna learn how to draw the Seattle Seahawks logo. So with my pencil, I'm gonna start laying it out. Just getting a rough layout. Okay, and yeah, I think that looks good like that. All right, so then you guys are gonna keep drawing in pencil. I'm gonna draw in marker so you can see it. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go around and get my line in here. Just like so. And then we've got an outline coming around like that. And then it breaks right here. And then there is a line right here that comes. It's kind of like an S, just like that. Then we have another line that comes along. I don't like that line. Comes along like this. Then it comes down. And then it comes back and down. And then we have another line that comes up, back, around, comes around like this and back. And then this line continues back like that. Then we have another line right here that comes around like that, comes up like so, comes back down like that, back around like that. And we have another line here, comes out and then right back, a little pointy tip there. I think it matches up, yep, like that. Then we have the eye that's going here. So for the eye, we have the outside part, which is a flat line that curves around and comes up, and then it curves around and comes up. Actually, it's more like that. There we go. And then you've got the eye, and then the pupil, and there we go. So if you enjoyed doing this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thank you for watching.